Hello and welcome to Disaster Chronicles. Here, you'll find the most up-to-date footage and news on natural disasters from around the world. From earthquakes to floods, hurricanes to volcanic eruptions, we bring you real-time, unbiased coverage of these powerful natural events. At Disaster Chronicles, we provide authentic videos and footage directly from disaster-stricken areas, in-depth analyses, expert commentary and analysis on recent events, reports and interviews, exclusive insights from specialists and eyewitnesses, latest news, up-to-date information on natural disasters globally. Join us as we explore the forces of nature that shape our planet. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Himachal Pradesh is a state at the northernmost tip of India. It lies in the western Himalayas and is home to about 7 million people. The state was also nicknamed Devbhumi, meaning God's country, in the summer of 2021. The people of Devbhumi have experienced the power of God in action. The floodwaters roared. A few moments of all-consuming destruction in Himachal Pradesh were captured on camera, showing the immense power of floods as they ravaged cities and neighborhoods. The water swept away cars and destroyed buildings. Indians marveled at the immense power of Mother Nature. "Oh my God, the water is rushing through the first village," they marveled, as desperate passers-by record from a bridge. Our cameraman manages to capture the moment when the flash flood completely engulfed a building. I hope Dr. Garg's clinic was insured. We then moved on to a more urban area where floodwaters tossed cars down a steep hill. As people watched the damage escalate from the safety of their balconies, they said, "Well, how severe is this? What caused a flood?" they wondered. June through September is the monsoon season in northern India. The western and central regions of India received 90% of their annual rainfall during these months in 2021. The monsoon season started a little early, with Himachal Pradesh experiencing a few cloudbursts as we know it. Rain accumulates in the clouds, and when the rain is very heavy, it falls on the ground. Quite simple, isn't it? A cloudburst occurs when all the water in a cloud falls at the same time. This happens when strong air currents brought by thunderstorms prevent the rain from falling. When the wind dies down, the rain is released. Unfortunately, Himachal Pradesh is no stranger to natural disasters. They are susceptible to many natural disasters like earthquakes, landslides, cloudbursts, floods, avalanches and droughts.